Hi all, welcome back to my channel. I am Sivathmika Chavali. If you are new to this channel, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. This is day 5 of being productive in coding. So without any further delay, let's get into the video and let's solve the problem. And today's problem is rank transform of an array. This is easier problem and beginner friendly problem. So what's the problem statement is telling means you have to arrange the rank of the arrays. So let's take the example of this one. You can see 40, 10, 20, 30, and you can see the smallest element is 10, so the rank of the smallest element is 1. In the same way, next one is 20, so 20th element rank is 2, and 33, 44. So largest element is 40, its rank is 4, and smallest element is 10 and its rank is 1. So this is the thing we need to do. And also one more thing, we have to be very careful that there is one case when there are duplicate elements in an array, then the rank would also be the same for that element. We need to handle this case also. Let's start the problem. First of all, before going to the array itself, I'm going to create one array. I'm naming it as original, and here I'm cloning all the array elements that are present in the array. I'm cloning it to the original array. For this, we have in Java clone method. So basically, in original array, we have 40, 10, 20, 30. The elements that are present in the array. Uh, this is uh, this is the thing that will be done by this clone method. And after this, I'm going to sort the array. Arrays dot sort original one. Basically, I'm not touching the main array. I'm not touching the main array. Entire thing I'm doing in the cloned array. The cloned array here is original array. Now I'm just sorting the original array. Why I have sorted means, you can see sorting happens in ascending to descending order, right? So so basically the array elements will be like 10, 20, 30, 40 in this way. Ba- if the array elements present like this means, we can easily adjust the rank to the elements, right? For that's why I am using sorting function here. After that, I'm going to use hash map stores the values in key value pairs. So here our key value both are integer data type. For that's why I'm using integer data type here. Hash map new hash map. And after this, I'm going to use for loop original dot length I plus plus. And here I'm going to put original of I into our hash map, and we should need another variable called j equal to 1. I'm assigning j value as 1. Here j represents nothing but rank of the elements. So instead of j, I can keep rank for specification purpose. So j and rank. And after that, I'm incrementing the rank value. So basically what I'm doing here is, in hash map, I'm putting my key. That key is nothing but here the array elements into our hash map and corresponding rank of it. After this, I am increasing the rank value. Anyhow, the array elements are in sorted way, right? We are doing in original array. Original array is sorted array. So basically, so 10 will be going to our hash map, and its rank will be 1. So basically, we have initialized the rank value as 1. So 10 value will be 1. And then next one, it will take 20, and it will put into our hash map, and the rank will be 2 because we are incrementing the rank, right? Previously rank is equal to 1, now rank will be 2. 20 is assigned to 2, and the next one 30, 30 is 3, and last one is 40, 40 is 4. In this way our rank will be assigned to our array elements. But we have another case, that is duplicate elements. How can we handle this edge case? So basically we can do with this, with the help of if function. If hm dot contains key original element, then you just do nothing, you just go with the flow. Like that I'm using continue. So basically what it means, this if statement is, in hash map, if the element is already present means don't do anything, don't update the rank, just go with the flow, that's it. In this way I'm checking whether the element is present in the hash map or not. So our entire thing is done. So now we need to update our ranks into our main array, in this array, and we need to return it. For this I am using another for loop, array dot length I plus plus, and I am updating in our main array, get the array element. And now I am returning that array. Let's compile and run. So the test cases are passed. Now I am going to submit the code. So it passed. Yes. So this is all about this video, and thank you for watching. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel.